To my fellow public servants in the local government unit, I would like to greet you all a happy 30th anniversary of the local government code. The local government units are the frontliners in the growth and progress of our beloved country, the Philippines. Local government units provide developmental projects, programs, and activities to the grassroots Filipino communities. And in the performance of our duties and responsibility as public servants of the local government units, we must uphold and adhere to the provisions of the Republic Act No. 7160. In fact, our service to people begins and ends with the Local Government Code of 1991. This year, as we celebrate the 30th anniversary of the Local Government Code, we also applaud the recent Mandanas ruling, which will enhance decentralization and increase the internal revenue allotment of the local government units by 55% in the amount of more or less 1.08 trillion. The implementation of the ruling and adjusted national tax allocation in 2022 provides us with the higher financial resources to improve the delivery of services to our locality. We will have the full autonomy to plan and manage the additional resources and should not waste the public fund. Hence, we must utilize our improved capacity to the utmost benefit of our people. As civil servants of our local government units, we are on the ground zero. We directly see the needs and aspirations of our constituents. With the Mandanas ruling, we have more financial capability to deliver basic social services and critical facilities tailored to our area of responsibility. We can promptly respond to the local needs and formulate government services that match the concern of the public. With more resources in our hands, we can plan and implement more programs, projects, and activities to better suit our socio-economic goals, vision, and mission in coordination in line with the mandates of the national government. We can improve our communities and the lives of our people, especially the areas far from our economic growth center. However, we must not forget that with great power comes great responsibility. In the performance of our duties as public servants, we must uphold good governance and improve our capabilities to manage public resources. We must strengthen our technical and financial capacity to absorb redevolved mandates in the interest of service to the people. And most of all, as the Mandanas ruling gives the local government units more powers, authority, responsibilities, and resources, we must continue uphold and adhere to the provisions of the Local Government Code.